Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Question 60 presents 4-oxopentanol, the starting material shown at top, and asks the student to identify it by IUPAC name or to relate it to the product shown below via an aldol or similar reaction. Moving on to the next step. The structure drawn at the top shows a linear chain, ChO, aldehyde at one end, connected by two CH2 groups to AC is equal to O, ketone, connected to CH3. This gives the sequence OHC, CH2, CH2, CH3, which is a 5-carbon compound. Moving on to the next step. The longest chain containing both carbonyl groups has 5 carbons. Numbering from the aldehyde end, aldehyde gets lowest locant C1 is equal to ChO, C2 is equal to CH2, C3 is equal to CH2, C4 is equal to C is equal to O, C5 is equal to CH3. The compound is a pentanol, 5-carbon aldehyde, with a keto group at position 4, giving the name 4-oxopentanol. And for the final step, 4-oxopentanol has molecular formula C5H8O2, consistent with the drawn structure OHC, CH2, CH2, CH3. The OXO prefix designates the ketone carbonyl at C4 and pentanol designates the 5-carbon chain with terminal aldehyde. The lower structure appears to be a product of an intramolecular or intermolecular aldol condensation or Reformatsky type reaction of 4-oxopentanol with cyclopropane containing reagents, confirming the identity of the starting material as 4-oxopentanol. Therefore, the correct answer is 4-oxopentanol. The correct answer is shown on screen.